gonna creating a vuejs project in this vuejs 3 project folder, inside of vuejs 3 project folder. Okay, just simply click here new folder and just simply create a one folder name like that, landing page. Create a landing page. Okay, and you have to go to your Google search box, then simply type here vuejs CLI install, and simply click here first URL link, and just you'll copy this link. Okay, I'll give this in my description below this, and just simply type here cmd. Okay, that's it, and install now this package, npm node package manager, install one global Vue CLI. Okay, and wait few of second, will show it, and it is done and successfully installed all of this package in this folder. Okay, and just now I'll set up vuejs project like that. Simply you will write here and just view create, then this here is your project name like that, landing page, landing f, hit the enter, wait a few of moment like that. What type of method you want like that, here default method and default Vue 3, and I want it to just manually set up. I will set up in my project, just manually select feature. Okay, then just select manually select feature. Okay, then click this enter, and here you will show it like that, choose Vue version, Vue version and Babel, TypeScript and Postgres web app. Okay, just I simply click this space button like that, TypeScript and space button, progressive web app. Okay, then I want it route and vuejs. Okay, then I just simply skip this method like that, css preprocessor. Okay, then linter and to click this in space button. Okay, then it has gone. Okay, then that's it. And if you want like that css preprocessor, then click this space button, then it will be selected, and just now click this enter, and it will be installed in your full choose your folder location. Okay, that's it, and just hit the enter button, then you will show it that 2x like that, Vue 2 and Vue 3x. Okay, this Vue 3 vuejs 3. Okay, then use class style component syntax. Yes, I want it. Yes, then hit, and like that you will show that use Babel and alongside TypeScript required auto detected. Okay, I want it. Yes, and use history mode of router. Yes, you will show that like that SAS and SCS, and with Dart SCS and with Node SCS. I want it just Dart SCS, then click this enter, and in a detective configure file. Okay, I want it, and select it. Save as a preset for future project. Yes, I want it, and simply type here and project name like that, landing f. Okay, that's it. To click this enter, and just wait a few of moment. I will skip this video, and I will come back again when it will install this my project. Will install this project. Just now type here cd and landing f, your project name. Okay, landing f. Okay, that's it. Oh no, code dot, and it will open in the VS Code. Okay, that's it, and you will show it like the sum of packages in here, and this is your project. This is our vuejs project folder like this. Here you will show it component and router and store and vuejs like that, f and home and app. You will show it that like that use store and use router and mount f.